So I've been on Fraser for 3 or 4 days now. I've still got the old freezer running beautifully. Everything's still solid as a rock after that. Still running at -16, -17. Now battery's handling it really well, so it's not too much amp draw. Good installation, everything helps it work fine. So it handles the rough stuff really well. It's doing its job really nicely. So we've now been going for 5 days with the old fridge freezer and the old slide to get this happy. So we got everything's still rock hard as we like it. So we need to get it out, get a defrosting for dinner tonight. When you shut the lids down, don't forget to catch them again, because when you're on those rough roads, the old lid can pop open and cause a few issues. A bit like an ice cream.
Yes, please. Hope they're frozen.
Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Why'd you go, Barb?
Yummy.
You got yours, Stan? Thank you.
The old paddle pop.
What are we up to, Paul? Is this day 5?
My favourite is the big banana.
-12?
Paddle pop.
-12.
Yep.
And how long they been in there?
5 days.
Jeez.
What about just for this? Celebrate all the fish we caught. How frozen's that, Paul?
They're cold.
Look at that. Look at that, Stan. Look at the ice on that. That'll keep the small kids and the big kids happy, wouldn't it?
Where else would you find an ice cream on the beach? In an Ironman fridge.